Welcome to Five Fire's EV News. Today we're going to be talking about the EV news in regards to the strong plays on Thursday. So today we're going to be going over a website called Investor Business Daily, and we're going to be talking about the stock prices that are holding and going up higher. This is not stock trading advice. There's no forecasting. We're just here to talk about the news. Okay, so for Dow Jones futures, Rivian stocks revs higher in the market rally. 2 days of just nonstop grain for Rivian. Tesla digests Elon Musk sells. So a lot to talk about today. I just did a video breaking down, going over what happened with Elon Musk and the around $5 billion that he sold of Tesla. I'll put a link in the description if you guys want to go ahead and watch that video from yesterday. Dow Jones futures rose slightly Thursday night along S&P 500 futures and NASDAQ futures. The stock market rally was mixed, but growth names generally improved after pulling back in the prior couple days. Rivian Automotive seems like that's the hot stock to talk about lately. Rivian Automotive jumped after Wednesday's strong Rivian IPO debut. Several other EV and auto plays had strong gains Thursday, with Xpeng approaching a buy point and General Motors definitively breaking out. Tesla edged lower as it digests Elon Musk's initial Tesla stock sales, but held above a key level. Meanwhile, beware buying hot trendy stocks that look like bargains. Upstart Holdings has had a monster run in 2021, but gapped down Wednesday following earnings. We're about to get earnings for Lucid, by the way. Come Monday. UPST came off opening lows that day, but fell back toward them on Thursday. Overall, it's a good time to sit on, not out, the market rally. Don't feel compelled to trade. Okay, so next up, we're going to go into EV stocks. Rivian stock jumped 22% to $122.99 on Thursday. In Wednesday's NASDAQ debut, Rivian stock revved 29% higher to $100.73 after pricing the IPO at $78 a share, above the expected range, which that right there, this is just incredible 2 days for this IPO. While Rivian stock is acting well, investors shouldn't buy a new issue right away. Let some price discovery take place and look for an IPO base to form. Xpeng stock rose 7.3% to $47.58, rebounding from its 21-day line. Xpeng stock is moving back toward a $48.08 consolidation buy point. Investors might use $49.55 as a high handle entry. However, aggressive traders might try to find some downward trend in that handle, likely ending up around $48 area. GM stock popped 4.3% to $61.82. General Motors stock definitely cleared 59.44 buy point from a double bottom base. GM stock has a lackluster at best relative strength line, underperforming the S&P 500 index as well as Tesla, Ford, and others. But perhaps now is the time for GM stock to move into higher gear. Late Wednesday, GM officials gave a more bullish assessment of its semiconductor supply outlook. GM production had already started to improve by the start of the month. Meanwhile, a few weeks, GM will begin delivering the high-end, all-electric Hummer pickup, which that's going to be can't wait to cover that. Next spring, it'll launch the upscale Lyric, an electric SUV. Talk about competition coming down the line. Tesla stock dipped 0.4% to $1,063.51 on Thursday, but held above its 21-day moving average. Late Wednesday, the company disclosed that Elon Musk sold 4.5 million shares for nearly $5 billion. An SEC filing also showed that the divestitures were part of an automatic stock sale plan set September 14th, well before Musk asked Twitter followers November 6th for their approval. So that whole play was already in play a while ago. If Musk sticks to his plan to sell 10% of his holdings, he has 12.5 million shares to go. Man, so much to talk about here. And then just a market analysis. If the stock market were a TV show, it says Thursday would have been a filler episode with not much happening. Stock market rally generally had a positive session, recouping some of Wednesday's growth-led losses. For the S&P 500, NASDAQ, and the Russell 2000, Thursday was an inside day. That is, these indexes traded within Wednesday's highs and lows. Man, there's just so much that's going to be coming down the line for all of these EV stocks. Just wanted to go over a quick take on what's going on so we just have an understanding of like Xpeng, Tesla, and Rivian. There's just a lot to cover. Please subscribe if electric vehicles is something that you're interested in. We will keep covering the news day in, day out here on 5 Fire EV News. Very passionate about this subject and where the future of this journey is going to take this channel. But thank you for your time. Do not forget to hit that like button, and thank you for supporting the fire.